What's up, guys? It's me, Jimmy. So here is Tesla selfie stick for action camera. Okay, let me take my Swiss knife and let me open it. Here we go. Let me close the Swiss knife. Safety is number one priority. Come on. Okay, what the hell is this? I have no idea. There's some more. Okay, not coming down. I need to open from top also. Okay, here we go. Okay, finally I got this box. Finally. So this is some kind of rubbish sticker. Let me just peel it off. And what is this? The main question is that. Okay, it's for the phone. Got it. Okay, personally I won't be using this one for phone. That's why it's irrelevant for me, unless you have a iPhone 10 or like Galaxy Note 10 with a front-facing selfie camera. How the hell does stand up? Okay, I understand. Okay, they tell us lock, unlock. Okay, so now right now it's locked. So and now it's locked, as you can see. It's very simple. Wow. Let me do it again. Wow, I like it. I mean, it's very simple, beautiful. This is a mount where you can store your phone or something like that. Okay, got it. Good. Let's see how long it can become. Oh, it can become quite long, to be honest with you. Wow. I mean, I'm liking it. I mean, to be honest with you, I will just say I'm liking it. But overall, it's quite good, to be honest with you. Even I can hold something like this if I want. I mean, I can use it like this if I want, or however I want. Let me. Okay. Yeah, I like it. Really, I mean, I like it. So now let me close this one. I mean, I like this thing. It's cost me like 20 bucks, but I really like it. I mean, I can easily put my Go action cam or anything which I want here. For example, something like this one I can easily mount here like this. Yeah. And then It can be like this. I'm vlogging. I like the setup, to be honest with you. Yeah, it was me, G Maggie. Make sure to subscribe and bye.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي